an iced coffee, a Toblerone chocolate, and a couple of waters. I'll have an omelette with some bacon and probably a dosa. Protein shake. A medium, sunny side up. I think it would only be meat, no salad. It would be chicken, lamb chops, ribeye steak, all these good things. Fall back on my protein shake, carry it everywhere I go. There's no sacrifice for food. Fitness test, there's no shortcuts to greatness, so just got to put in the hard work and always train really hard.